school to be a teacher.
She's a Mona Lisa.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching Melody for that little bit that I had to get ready. I am ready. I'm just wearing a super casual outfit, just a black t-shirt with these like fuzzy sweats that are very big from Shein, but that's what I'm doing just because I don't really have anything to do today. I just wanted to kind of film a morning in my life with my 4-month-old baby and just how that is going. I don't know if you can tell, but I have some postpartum shedding going on, which is very sad because I don't know, I just feel like I take a lot of pride and care of my hair, or at least before I had a baby I did take a lot of care of my hair, and I didn't think that I would get postpartum shedding. It came 4 months late, but it's here. I've just been noticing it lately as I play with my hair. So we're just gonna have to figure out ways to combat that. So if you went through this or are going through this, let me know what you either did or are doing to combat this so I can try some things to help make that hair grow back or to at least stop the shedding. But we are going to get Miss Melody dressed. She did just eat, so we're just going to find her some clothes to wear. I am drying some clothes, so I have to fold some laundry. I feel like laundry is never ending, honestly. I'm always doing laundry. Yes, so right now I am just watching some YouTube. I have been obsessed with a couple of different channels lately. So the first channel I have been obsessed with is Rachel Vin, which is who I'm watching right now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and help us reach this journey, because it would mean a lot to me, and I'm sure Melody would love for her mama to stay at home. But the other thing that I have been watching is teacher videos. Ever since I was pregnant, have just had this feeling of I really should have went to school to be a teacher. I didn't know that you have to go to 4 years of school. I thought I could just go back and get an associate's degree, but now that I know you have to do 4 more years of school, I'm kind of iffy about it. I don't really know if I want to commit that time, because that is a lot of time. I'll be like 29 by the time I am done. I have just been obsessed with watching teacher vlogs and teacher day in their lives, and just, I don't know, it's just been something that's been on my mind. Let's try a little transition. Boop. Okay, so I'm getting ready to clean up the room and fold these clothes. I have a pile of clothes over here that needs to be washed, but I just remembered that I need to wash this because Melody sleeps on this and refuses to sleep without it. So I need to wash it because she has puked on it a couple of times yesterday. One thing that I have actually been a little bit worried about when it comes to Mel and just sitting and hanging out with other people is the fact that she's mainly with me all day, every day. And so she does see like my mom, my grandma sometimes, but that's like maybe a couple times a month, just because my car is down right now. It's snowing outside, so we haven't really been going anywhere. So I've noticed when I do take her places, or when I do take her to see someone, she ends up crying like maybe like 10 minutes into when they are holding her or something, and I feel like that's just mainly because she's with me so much. Good news is that my younger sister is actually coming over tomorrow to spend some time with Melody, so I think she'll like that, especially since it'll be while she's here at the house. So I feel like she'll be more comfortable with that, so that should go well. I'm actually excited about that because I haven't even spent time with my younger sister like that in the last couple of months, so I think that'll be good, don't you, mama? As you saw, she got scared of the sweeper, so I had to stop in between sweeping and just comfort her. So I finished sweeping, and now I'm just holding her, letting her know that everything is okay and the sweeper is not gonna hurt you. So yeah, that's just one thing that happens with babies. They get startled by loud noises. At first she wasn't scared of the sweeper. She would even just go to sleep. I think she found the sweeper like kind of soothing, but now that she's gotten a little bit older, especially if you sweep up something that's not supposed to be swept up, it really bothers her. So we are waiting on the milk to get done. Right now I'm pretty much done with cleaning up for now. I didn't sweep the living room, but I'll probably just have to do that later when she takes a nap or something, which she should be ready to do soon. The only issue is that her mat that she likes to sleep on is still in the washer and probably won't be done until 11. That's the only bit of issue. So hopefully I can get her to sleep without it. Last time I tried this, she had issues going to sleep and I had to hold her the whole time, but we'll just have to see. The teacher's assistant job, so I'm going to work on that and probably watch some YouTube. Melody is over here playing on her mat, so I should keep her occupied while I do this. Looks like it'll take me about an hour and a half to get this done. I finished that work. Right now I am just kind of chilling. It's 1:16, so I think I'm going to chill. Ow, Mel. I think I'm just going to chill until like 2 o'clock. Finish putting the laundry and switching her mat because that is needed because she is refusing to sleep in the bed without it. So I'm going to finish that, get that dried, and then we are going to cook. We're making jollof rice today because I like to make it so I can have a pot of something because Eli likes to heat that up and stuff. So I was just going over like looking for more inspiration and also just looking at home decor on Amazon and on Instagram at small shops for house and everything, and just looking around the room and thinking as to where I want to place things. So I actually am going to be moving my desk, which is obviously right here. This will take where the playpen or playpen slash crib thing in the room is, where Mel currently sleeps. Her bed is going to go over there in that corner up against the wall. Again, I am thinking about a floor bed. I'll insert 2 different types of floor beds that I am looking at. And then I do want to get her some type of dresser that's not like that one in there. So that one in there I think is going to be a majority for like still things that are like kind of for me but like mom things. So put her extra diapers in there, extra wipes in there, probably put like miscellaneous things in there as well. The goal is to, on the whole entire house, I only want to spend maybe $1,000 to $1,500. That includes fully decorating her room and then adding decorations into the living room and bedroom. This process is going to be over the next few months because the big reveal for her room is going to be her birthday. She wasn't into the whole snow idea yet. She was actually more interested in Binx than she was in the snow, but Binx isn't at that point where she's getting there. So like she'll play with her hands if she's in a playful mood, but right now Binx isn't at the point where she just plays with her for no reason. And I don't know if she'll ever be because she's a cat, and I feel like cats, you know, they're not like pets that just play with kids like all day or anything. We have just been chilling, watching Boba Fett. We ate some breakfast. Melody is right here. She had to get an outfit change because she spit up on her outfit. So she is just wearing this super cute Puma onesie under her bib in case she spits up again. And I don't know what it is about her hair, but it just makes her look so much older. So now I am about to sit down and do some editing and start editing this video. So I'm probably gonna have to film on my phone while I'm editing or just use the other SD card. So yes, we're gonna start doing that.